the hardware console and in the mobile robotic arm. Move backward, move forward, turn left, turn right. Up, up. Stop. Great. Then stop. So let's start control the mobile robotic arm with the web page. You can change the drive and also or camera. So initially we change to the drive and then move forward and move backward. Then turn left, turn right. And then also the arm, the wrist, control the wrist, and then the lower arm and the upper arm. And also the wrist, and the wrist as well, the wrist draw, and then the grip, close, the grip open. The robotic arm grip something, come back, and then open the grip.